Well, when we look at tonight, this could come down to the backcourts, Grant. They're both very talented.
Yeah, B.A., you know I love great guard play. And, of course, each team has some serious skills at that position. So expect a fast pace of play, lots of threes. It should be one heck of a matchup.
And the Lakers starting five. We've got LeBron James. And it's Jones in at the 5 spot. Here's Irving. Sinks that one from the post.
A masterful finisher. The closer Kyrie is to the bucket, the more dangerous he becomes.
Here's the natural. Kicks it out to Dinwiddie. Pass to the natural. Shot clock at 6. And he's going to the line for 2.
I don't mind that. I mean, they met him at the rim and temporarily prevented the points.
Over the years, no team in the NBA has had more star power than the Lakers. They always have at least one future Hall of Famer on the roster.
That shot missing. And Los Angeles the other way now. Ooh, LeBron with the slam.
And this is how you fire up your teammates. LeBron with a 10 on that one.
There's the AT&T 5G Slam Cam, capturing the moment. And about a minute gone in the first quarter. You know, when we talk about the Lakers, you expect them to have a superstar.
B.A., starting with Wilt in the 60s, then Kareem during the 70s, Magic dominating the 80s, and more recently Shaq and Kobe, LeBron and AD, the biggest names flock to L.A.
Jones with a screen on Green. Here's the natural. Green covering. Here's the natural. Garuba with a rebound. The Rockets have gone 1 for 3 so far. Pass to Irving. Smith with a screen on Dinwiddie. Here's Garuba. Basket is good. Nice setup from Irving.
Clever feed by Kyrie Irving, moving the ball to a teammate with a quality look.
Here's the natural. Green covering. Here's the natural. And he got the whistle on the way up. And the first one at the line is good. That's also good, so he hits both free throws. Houston has gone 1 of 2 from three-point land so far. Deflected! James against Green. Pass to the natural. First quarter of ball, almost 2.5 minutes in. The putback. Smith with the rebound. For Houston, they've gone 2 for 5 here in the first. To the paint. Martin. And down it goes. Jam that one home.
Skying high, one of his advantages as an undersized forward.
Here's the natural. Green covering. Got a piece of it. Martin outside. Back to Irving. And in the first quarter, about 3 minutes played. Pass to Green. Smith outside. 4 on the clock. And that one's good. And Green with the assist.
He's consistent from out there, especially when you give him that kind of room.
They've been having major problems offensively.
Definitely in a bit of a dry spell.
Rising up with force. Once LeBron takes flight, just get out of his way.
Houston has gone 2 for 3 from outside the arc. James against Irving. Pass to Green. He shoots it. It's deflected. Here's the natural. He's averaging almost 35 a game, a crucial player for them. And here's Dinwiddie from the arc. Oh, clanks that one. He's 0 for 1 to start. Houston in the lead. Check by James. And he jams it after taking the nice feed on the run.
And he gives up some size inside, but makes a great adjustment on the finish.
And that takes skill and the ability to make adjustments as you're going up.
And there's just one foul now away from the penalty.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
James inside, pass to the natural. And the three-pointer goes. He's got 7.
The passing of LeBron is so special, so talented at finding his wide-open teammates.
Irving finds Martin. And here is Green. And there's the rejection. Here's the natural. Green covering. A crucial time of year for a lot of teams. Or look ahead to next season.
I don't know, B.A. For me, it's all about trying to make the playoffs and win a championship. Yes, you can still keep an eye on the future when you're trying to win.
Now Irving. He's been a big scorer for this offense, averaging around 20 points a game. Smith with a screen on Dinwiddie. Green for 3. That one falls. He's now 1 for 3. These teams just feeling each other out.
Yeah, I love the spirit out there. Already 6 lead exchanges.
Inside, James. And slam dunk by James.
This
The Rockets call.
For Houston, they've gone 6 of 11 so far. On the wing, Irving. Check by James. And down it goes. 2 points. Smith's got 5 now.
They keep capturing the lead, then giving it back. We'll see if they can hold on to it this time.
Both teams putting forth their best efforts right now. This is the kind of game fans pay to see. Even though he missed it, this is the exact play your offense is designed to produce.
Irving for 3. Rebounded by the Lakers. They want to keep rolling here following a win against Minnesota.
Hey, their activity on defense was terrific. It was just full effort at that end of the floor and a bunch of blocks to show for it.
This was their game plan going in. Make shooters uncomfortable by challenging every possible shot.
Here's Irving. After the Lakers picking up a basket just moments ago. Martin with a screen on James. Irving with it. He's picked up by Jones. And that one drops.
Look at Kyrie slicing up the defense. His agility to drive the ball is unstoppable.
To the middle. Here's James. Sinks another one. He's on a roll, starting 4 for 4.
That's 3 buckets in a row off assist.
Los Angeles foul.
And the Rockets making a change here. Christopher's checked in, and the Lakers also making a change. Reeves is checked in.
Substitution on the board.
Outside Irving. Fires the three. The rebound by the natural. Los Angeles has gone 1 for 3 from beyond the arc. Back to James. And slam dunk by James.
It's like he's doing pull-ups on the rim.
Looked like a schoolyard playground right there. Stolen. And stolen by Irving. And here we go. The Rockets in transition. On the wing, Irving. And too long on the shot.
And that's okay. Even though you missed, you had the right guy taking the shot.
Pass to the natural. Screen by James. And he lobs it up to the rim.
Though LeBron loves to keep his teammates involved, when he's feeling it, like tonight, he'll call his own number.
The Rockets trail. Here's Christopher. Fires for three. The rebound by the natural.
Defensively, it's hard to account for everything. They gambled off him, and it worked.
Back to James. Lays it up and in off the pretty assist. James has got 14.
Final charge to Houston.
So
you may have
going out there, no let up.
but I ain't.
well, the Rockets shooting a nice 50% for the game. And so in the game for Los Angeles, they've got Damian Jones, and it's Augustine in at the shooting guard position. Oh, and there's the whistle on the
First personal foul. First team foul.
player. In the NBA these days, it's similar. You need those well-rounded players to succeed.
I like the baseball reference, but you're spot on, B.A. It's all about bringing versatility to the game. Players that can shoot, pass, dribble, defend, and rebound. And I'll throw it even in there, lead and play selfless basketball. Those kind of guys that can do it all, that's a recipe for success in the NBA.
That's a shot the defense looked like it was willing to give up. Big mistake.
Down low. Here's Porter. And then Porter with the dunk.
I'll tell you, those finishes are always extra special when they come from your point guard.
Oh, forget about his passing. Can we see more dunking?
It just shows you the versatility. This guy can do a lot of different things for you. Woo! Well, so far, this cold night from the field has not affected their ability to maintain this lead.
Pass to Smith. Lets the three fly. No luck on that one. So the Lakers will take it the other way. They traveled to Houston last time they faced the Rockets. Came away with a win.
Yeah, they destroyed this team on the glass in the last meeting.
And he was fouled while in the... And a moment now to quickly take a look at the offensive approach for the Lakers.
Right now is their passing game, and it's been on point, doing a great job of moving it around and getting the ball to their shooters.
And on top of that, they've been dialed in from deep. And if they keep it up, it could be a big night for them.
Irving's checked in for the Rockets. Porter's shot is off. Los Angeles has gone 1 of 2 from deep in the second quarter. Here's the natural. He had 22 in the win against Minnesota.
And his defense really set the tone. Seemed like he impacted almost every shot that came his way, blocking many.
And there's the call on Jalen Green. That's his first foul of the game. Here's the natural. Green covering. Here's the natural. Garuba with a rebound. Houston has gone 0 for 2 from outside in the second quarter. Pass to Irving. Outside, Green to the inside. 6 to shoot, unloads, and the jumper is good. Green's got his second bucket of the night.
terrific play. This is why you run your offense through him and live with the results.
Hi, guys. Well, the natural in their last time out against the Timberwolves delivered in a major way. He picked up 22 points, and that was just one element of his production. He ended up with a triple-double on the night. He put up significant numbers. So the question becomes, can he do it again?
Well, it'll be interesting to see how much of that performance carries over into this one.
His goal is to provide whatever the team needs from him on that particular evening.
Well, that's what it means to be unselfish, putting the team's interests first. As you say, he just wants to come away with the W.
And Kevin Porter picks up the foul. That's his first foul.
They're having a hard time with fouls. It's still early, but one more and they'll be over the limit.
And the Rockets making a change here. Martin's checked in. There's the double team with Porter. Here's Dinwiddie. Porter pulls it in.
How is it possible? Wide open, too.
Now here's Irving. Last game for him, he had 14. It's Martin on the wing. Outside for Green. From the arc. Jones grabs the board. Jones has got 4 rebounds now. Here's the natural. Yes, and a nice assist from Dinwiddie. He's got 14.
A lost art in this game. Terrific bounce pass.
Irving up top. He's covered by Dinwiddie. Pass to Garuba. Outside for Irving. And the ball out of play. Lakers will have it.
Wasted possession.
Here's the natural. Green covering. The natural gets the bucket.
Like a matador. Olay! There was no defense. That has to be one of the easier shots I've seen tonight.
This is what happens when you start to break your opponent's spirit. The resistance is no longer there.
And here are the Rockets now. Following the score by the Lakers. To the middle. Garuba with the bucket.
And once more this half, they find a way to get great position inside.
The Lakers have gotten 5 of 8 attempts to drop since the second began. Here's the natural. Green covering. Here's the natural. And so he draws the foul. And he makes a first.
Yeah, just knocking down every free throw. I mean, I love to see this kind of efficiency.
And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time. For Houston, they've gone 4 for 7 in the second quarter. And they doubled up Irving. On the wing, Porter. And then Porter with the dunk.
Now, B.A., you know that they would love for him to get more of those opportunities.
Well, that would cut into the deficit quickly if he does. Dinwiddie outside. Pass to the natural. Outside Augustine. Here's the natural. Count that bucket. Give him 20.
His shot making has been superb this quarter. He's taken over this game.
Irving against Dinwiddie. Left side, Green. It's tipped. And it's out of bounds to the Rockets as Houston. Martin with the ball. He's averaging almost 5 points a game. Just 3 to shoot. And here's Porter outside. That shot off.
You have to credit their effort. I mean, they've done an amazing job on the glass.
Here's the natural. He's guarded by Irving. Inside. And he goes up strong with a one-handed jam.
Oh, not the defensive effort they need to cut into the lead.
Boy, good call. You have to at least try to protect the rim.
Also, if you can't get stops at this point, it really doesn't matter what you do at the offensive end.
Here's Irving. After the Lakers picking up a basket just moments ago. Here's Green. Got a hand on it.
And all quarter long, it's been the same story. Inconsistent with his offense.
Man.
Second personal foul. Fifth team foul.
So it's the Los Angeles Lakers. A sizable lead of 14 at the break. They just can't.
The offense is flowing like the Nile. They're working really well together. You have to love the shot selection. This is the way Coach drew it up.
And for their opponent, defensive adjustments sorely needed. Thanks for joining us. Time to head back over to the third quarter with Brian Anderson.
And there wasn't too much drama in the first half, but maybe things will tighten up here in the second. You know, LeBron James has been exceptional here, guys.
Through the first 2 quarters, he's been on fire. Explosive offensive performance.
This is his challenge, to continue to dominate, to help them try to close strong here in the second half.
We've got Smith. Jalen Green is out there with Kyrie Irving. And it's Garuba in at the 5. So that's who's on the floor for the Rockets. Three-pointer, no good. And for Los Angeles, they're shooting 54% from the field so far in this one. Here's the natural. Off target from outside. Pass to Irving. Takes the 3. Knocks down the triple. Irving's got 10 points in the game.
Impressive shooter from outside the arc. Kyrie knows he has the green light to fire away.
Now, here is James. There's the triple. That one is off.
It's amazing. All night he's been out of sync on the offensive end, yet they continue to lead.
Outside Irving. And it's off from three-point range.
At some point, when you recognize someone's this out of rhythm, you have to shift to something else.
Three-pointer. The natural gets the bucket. Give him 23.
Woo! He got a clean look, and he makes the defense pay for disrespecting him.
Irving with it. Picked up by James. Rejected by James.
Great positioning by LeBron and timing on that block shot. Shaky start to the half. Going 1 for 4. Still trying to find that groove.
Now that takes serious effort and a light touch.
No need to overdo it. Just lightly tip it in. Outside Irving. Pass to Garuba. Green for 3. Drops in the 3. 11 points in the game.
In full-on catch-up mode. They're raining threes right now.
Here's the natural. Green covering. They set the pick. Out to James. And they waste no time getting those 3 points back. James has got 26.
Trading threes. You think you've got something going, then LeBron matches you at the other end.
And the Rockets. Well, we're into the third quarter, just over 2.5 minutes played. Green for 3. Rebounded by the Lakers.
And they're up considerably because of their efforts on the glass.
And a foul called on the way. The first free throw is good.
Team foul. Shooting.
And he makes both free throws. The Rockets have got just 2 of 6 in the second half.
Los Angeles foul. Number 23. Second personal foul. First team foul.
3 minutes gone now in the third quarter. They set the pick. From outside the arc. Houston gets it back. Goes back up.
And whether or not he makes the all-defensive team, LeBron is one of the league's premier defenders. They keep calling his number, which is partly how they've dug this hole.
Third quarter of basketball here. A little under 3.5 minutes gone by. Banked it in off the glass.
They're really dictating the tempo on both ends of the court. You love it.
This has been an impressive performance tonight. Even with a big lead, they've maintained their focus.
Smith with a screen on Jones. Here's Garuba. Jones with the block.
And this kind of selflessness is great to see. Draw the charge.
First team foul.
So it's the Rockets now. Outside Irving. Can they get it? Sends it home from three-point land. Irving's got 13.
And this team's struggles are not his fault. He's putting in work at the offensive end.
And the whistle on the shot.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Shooting for Los Angeles.
Plays with, it's hard not to foul him.
Porter Jr., he's checked in for the Rockets.
And really strong at the line since the break.
Boy, the Rockets really having a tough go here. Pass to Garuba. Outside, Green. Smith in the high post. He has 7. And he goes in for the dunk.
A savage reverse jam. That takes great body control.
No question. He was making a statement right there, man. The Lakers have gotten 4 of 7 shots to drop in the third. Out to the right wing. This one for 3. Smith with the rebound. Smith's got his 7th rebound of the game with that last one. All right, let's check in with Allie LaForce.
Well, guys, the NBA markets itself behind star players, but Commissioner Adam Silver understands what makes the game tick. He said, quote, "This is a team sport. In order to truly win championships and compete at the highest level, all the players have to come together."
So true, Allie. Thank you. Pass to James. Here's the natural. Just 5 on the clock. And that one is stuffed right through.
That's a nice read. The value of keeping your eyes up.
Houston has gone 4 of 9 from beyond the arc since the break. And here's Porter outside. Rebound, the Lakers. Jones has got 6 rebounds here tonight. To the paint. Double team on James. The 3. The natural can't hit.
He just keeps firing from distance. I know he's trying to heat up, but at what cost?
And so it looks like, and the Lakers making a change here. Now a timeout called by Houston. Porter, the pass to Green. Sinks it from distance. Green's got 14 points.
Lackluster defense, showing no desire to chase shooters off that line.
Here's the natural. And he can't answer back. The three-pointer offline. The Rockets shooting 40% since the break. The shake. And the Rockets tack on 2 more. The Lakers have gone 5 of 11 in this third quarter. Pass to the natural. Takes it inside. Unable to get that one. And Houston will come the other way. They host the Pistons after this one. That'll be the second and last game of a quick homestand. Right side, Irving from 20 feet. Rebound, the Lakers. Jones has got 7 rebounds in the game. Here's the natural. Green covering. Jones misses. And the Rockets with the run. And a look at how the offensive approach has been going so far. On the court for the Lakers to start the fourth. We've got LeBron James. And it's the natural in at the 2.
Just not feeling it from beyond the arc. Sometimes that happens. He's trying to shoot his way out of it.
Well, Los Angeles shooting 53%. Good efficiency on offense so far. Puts up a 3. Hits the three-pointer. Give him 30.
The defense was just nowhere to be found, and because of that, he adds to their lead.
You can't afford to give him space. Those kinds of mistakes have been the story of this game.
To the wing, right side. Launches it. LeBron with the rebound. James has got his 6th rebound on the night. Down low. Soft touch off the glass. James has got 32 points.
Down the stretch, this is when they need him the most, and he is delivering.
Russell to pass to Smith. Guarded by Russell. Pass to the natural. The Rockets pull it in. Right side, Green. The Rockets with another miss. Los Angeles has gone 1 of 2 from deep in this quarter. Here's the natural. And another 3 for the Lakers.
Having a monster night from beyond the arc. He had 2 bombs in the first half, now 3 more since.
And here is Irving. We're about 2 minutes into the fourth here. Smith outside. Basket is good. Nice setup from Irving. Irving's got his 5th assist in this one.
When this guy starts hitting threes, watch out. He's just pouring it on this half.
Oh, and he got fouled on his way up. In the NBA, we know that coaches are often the fall guys. Coach wouldn't let me be me. Too easy?
Well, yeah, I think you have to take it case by case. The one thing I would say, everybody has to be a pro in an organization. Those are the organizations and individuals that usually succeed.
The Lakers making a switch here. Reeves is checked in. Outside Irving. Just 5 to shoot. Here's Green. The rebound by the natural. The Lakers have gone 3 of 5 since this fourth quarter started. Just over 2.5 minutes played now. Final quarter of regulation. Back to James. And slam dunk by James.
The assist.
Putting consistent pressure on this defense. Just the threat of him out there makes this offense work.
Irving, the pass to Green. The 3. Oh, drew the pen. They've stopped the action.
Number 23. 4th personal foul. 1st team foul.
No way, no way.
Back line for your Rockets. Taking 3 shots.
The previous play is under review.
One thing this does for a coach is let his players know he's got their back. If they're adamant that the call was wrong, he'll back them up and make the refs take another look.
The ruling on the floor stands.
And they've made their decision. The call will see.
Does not count. Los Angeles calls timeout.
Left side, Green. Tipped. It's James on the wing for three. Garuba with a rebound. Houston has gone 2 of 4 from the perimeter here in the fourth quarter. Pass to Christopher. Outside, Green. That three's off the mark.
He's kind of lost his way this period, having a hard time getting anything to go down.
There are high school refs better than you guys.
How has it impacted the NBA, you think?
Well, I think during crunch time, the one thing I think that can help is the speed up replay. That's what everybody is complaining about.
Yeah, too bad he fouled out. But this team does have some depth at his position.
Boy, they'd love if anyone could get a bucket.
Yeah, their offense has been grinding to a halt.
Puts it up from 12. Rebound, the Lakers.
If this quarter is any indication, he's not going to be the guy to turn this game around in their favor.
Back to James. Uses the glass on the layup. James has got 6 points in the quarter.
There's almost no stopping LeBron. He muscles his way right through contact.
Pass to Christopher. On the take. Oh, a rip-rattling two-handed jam.
All he needed was a little separation. So effective.
Boy, cleared the path, put him in position for a prime-time dunk.
That's a big-time move and a big-time finish.
All sorts of time. Oh, that's his 8th make of the game. He's only missed 4 so far.
When Kyrie Irving gets his feet set, it is automatic, plain and simple.
James, outside.
Gliding the pass to where it needed to be.
Wow, a strong finish to seal the deal. Here's Green. And we know the big markets draw free agents. As a player, how different can that experience be from the big city to the smaller market?
Well, we know it's a big difference. And obviously there's been this old adage that big city wins more. But we've had some teams from smaller markets step up and win a championship, like the Milwaukee Bucks.
And that one's good. James.
He's been a big factor in their offense tonight, making shot after shot.
Houston has got 2 of 5 threes to go here in the fourth. Jones with the block. And they'll keep possession. Christopher misses. For Los Angeles, they've gotten 8 of 13 shots to find the basket in the fourth quarter. Back to James. Pass to Reeves. Here's the natural. Green covering. Down to 5 on the shot clock. The Lakers got to get one up. Late clock. They get it back with the second effort and the layup. By James. James has got 40 points.
So tenacious on the offensive glass. LeBron using his athleticism to bully the defense.
Now Irving. On the wing, Irving. He gets it to go again. 9 for 13 so far.
I will say this about his shooting stroke. It's pure when he's got it going. Perfect so far this quarter.
The natural can't hit. Well, the Rockets shooting just 38% here in the fourth. Irving, the pass to Smith. When a team is underperforming, coaches are often the first people called into question. Is that fair, Smitty?
In some cases it is fair, but I'll break it down like this, BA. It always starts at the top. From coaching to your best players, they're always going to get the blame.
The natural can't hit.
Yeah, and the defense has really got to tighten up on him. I mean, he's just too dangerous from the three-point line. You can tell the moment the pass left his hands, he knew he messed up.
Martin, he's checked in for the Rockets. Porter Jr. comes in for Green. Here's the natural. The 3-ball. Gets a hand on it. It's good on the putback.
Real smooth, guys. Great job with the tip in.
Those are the kind of plays on the offensive glass that can tell you a lot about a player. Here's Irving. So it'll be 2 free throws.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution on the court.
.32 seconds left in the fourth. Here's the natural. And again, no good by the Lakers. And the Rockets with possession here.
Number 23. Fifth personal foul. Third team foul. In for your Rockets.
We've got 22 seconds left in the game.
Max Bruce.
Fires the three. Knocks down the long J.
One positive takeaway, at least they're finally showing signs of life out there.
They put together some great possessions here at the end. It's a shame they could have used this run much earlier.
Here's Irving.
Looks like they'll cruise to the...
We see the Lakers taking the W here. This one wasn't even close. The hometown crowd was waiting for a miracle that never came.
Yeah, and this team was consistent throughout. They met every challenge.